Supply chain operation performance metrics focuses on the various metrics used to evaluate the efficiency and effectiveness of supply chain operation. Key points includes the first one is type of metrics. It covers financial, operational, and customer focused metrics to assess performance. Second is performance measurements. Framework introduce frameworks for structuring the measurement process, including input process, output, and outcome metrics. Number three is benchmarking, highlights the importance of comparing metric against industry standards to identify areas for improvement. Four is continuous improvement. Discuss how metrics drive continuous improvement initiative utilizing and methodologies like Six Sigma and Lean. And last is technology and data analytics. Explores the role of technology in enhancing performance measurements of and enabling real-time insight. Overall, this chapter stresses the importance of robust performance metrics for optimizing supply chain operation.